Hey guys, what's up? Today we have pasta panas, or in my case, pasta tak begitu panas lagi, because I left it out for quite some time, to be honest. So, the restaurant only serves pasta, so I have five of the options here. Two of them, or one of them, is the recommended one, and another two is the recommended by a thumb, with a thumbs up. So right here we have Mac spicy shoyu, and then we have their. Okay, I don't know why I just show you the box. It's obvious you can't see what's inside. So we have the creamish mushroom pasta. Their Laza spicy mac. Their carbonara plain, and oglio. Is it oglio? Yeah, some oglio. And then we have their nachos, which, okay, this you can see. We have their nachos here with their sauce. Okay, with their sauce here. Alright, so that's about it. Let's get eating. Alright, we're back. Alright, so we got 5 servings in front of us, and the last time I tried 5 servings of food, I failed miserably. So let's see how today will go. Alright, so we're gonna start with, of course, the most basic one first, carbonara, as you can see. Alright, so there's spaghetti. It's cooked until like al dente. You can chew it, and it's not too soft. It has this like it's like al dente spaghetti, right? So the flavor wise, it's actually really flavorful. And also for some of their menu options, you can choose whether to want non-spicy, normal, or spicy. So I went with spicy for all of mine, and the taste on this is really nice. The spice is actually not too bad to handle, and it goes well along with the creamy texture. So it kind of cuts off the creaminess of it. Also, I like to say, it's been a long time since I've had such a delicious spaghetti. Like, there's enough sauce in it to make it not too dry, and flavored perfectly. I'm not a professional food reviewer yet, so I can't really tell you what's inside. All I know it tastes like a normal carbonara that's spicier and tastier. Yeah. Okay, I just want to point out, right? The packaging they use is really good, because as you can see, the sauce is all down here, but there's nothing leaking from underneath. So you don't have to worry about spilling or anything. Alright, so next up we're trying their aglio olio. As far as I know, this is a stir-fried type of spaghetti. Okay, so first impression, maybe because this is a dried dry stir-fried kind of spaghetti theme. The noodles are actually a bit more stickier. They tend to stick to each other, and also it's a bit more chewy. It tastes a bit more dry compared to the carbonara I just had. Flavor wise, because I ordered spicy, I can taste the spiciness, but there's not much other taste to it except spaghetti and some sort of spice, and it's also a bit oily, and I can't tell what the oil is. There's actually a very strong garlic taste at the bottom of it. I think because I didn't stir well, so everything didn't mix up quite well. But if the flavor of the garlic is very nice, to be honest. So far, so good. So let's take a break and have some of the nachos right now. With their sauce, of course. With their sauce. The chips are just plain toasted chips. Still crunchy and really nice. Really nice corn chips. The sauce, on the other hand, is bologna sauce. So if you had spaghetti bologna before, this is probably the sauce. I would like to add, I ordered the chili cheese loaded nachos, and the amount of cheese that came with it is only this much, but there's so much nachos. Get what I mean? There's just not enough cheese. We have the creamy mushroom pasta. There we go. Looking really good. I'm going to describe it the way I most know how. It's pasta with mushroom soup topping. So have you ever had like those mushroom soup in like the fancy restaurants? They have like the bits of mushroom finely grated into the soup, and then when you drink it, there's this coarse feeling when you're trying to swallow the soup. That's the feeling. I'm not saying that I'm posing this. It's just, it tastes like pasta with mushroom soup, that's it. Overall, not too bad, but I would, out of those three pasta, I would definitely choose the carbonara one over the other two. And then the creamish mushroom pasta comes second, and the third one is the aglio olio. So next up, we have Mac spicy shoyu. So the two remaining one is mac and cheese sort of thing. So I think shoyu meant black sauce, which is why their spaghetti is kind of brownish. I mean, mac and cheese. I'm sorry. Tastes kind of weird for me. There's this soy sauce taste in it, and I think because I can't associate mac and cheese with soy sauce, so it the soy sauce flavor is a bit too overpowering, and it just kind of like ruined the whole dish, I think. Like it's just kind of weird. Alright, last one. Starting to get really full. Oh wait. What is this? So this is the Lasagna spicy, and I added chicken on top, so it comes with like chicken ham. I have no idea what lasagna is. Okay, I know what lasagna means now. It's lasagna. So the taste of this mac and cheese kinda revolves around lasagna. So if you just ignore the mac and cheese, it tastes actually like a lasagna. But instead of those thin pasta, you get round tube pasta. Taste wise, it tastes like any other lasagna. There's like nothing standout-ish about it. Pretty normal dish if you ask me. think I'm done with cheese for, I don't know, man, a month. Damn. Yep, I'm tapping out. I'm done. Ugh. No more sauce for me for what? Damn. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hope you like it. And if you haven't tried it, I suggest you to try the carbonara and maybe their lasagna. These two, in my opinion, are like the best of them. The rest are quite alright. The Finnish mushroom pasta is not too bad as well. So if you haven't tried it before, you give it a try. I mean, no harm. The price is reasonable, and the amount of portion is, if you eat like a normal person, you would be full from one serving of mac and cheese. The pasta serving is a bit smaller. So I hope you like today's video, and if you have any suggestions, do feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And with that said, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.